is Kimberly Lou, and welcome to my Foodie Fridays. This is my daughter Summer.
Hello.
So what I wanted to do, and the reason why I created this channel, was to have fun, healthy foods that are kid-friendly that the whole family can enjoy. So today what we're going to be doing, since it's close to Halloween, is making chocolate-covered apples. Now this is what you're going to need. You're going to need chocolates. So with this chocolates, this one I use allergy-free. I'll put a link down below. You can get them on Amazon, super easy, but they're gluten-free, peanut-free, dairy-free, soy-free, everything free. So then you want to melt your chocolate. You can use a Milton chocolate pot. I got this on Amazon as well. I'll put a link below. It's just super easy. It melts that chocolate. Now you want 2 cups of water, because what we're going to do is you're going to cut your apples with a little slicer. She's going to show you how to do it in just a moment. And then we're going to put lemon in the water so that the apples do not turn brown. Now we also have, what do we have here?
We have some sprinkles in our Halloween edition.
Yeah.
We have some ghosts, some bats, some skulls and dog bones. We have some pumpkins and some skeletons and some insects and some ghosts.
Beautiful. So we have sprinkles, and then I also have, for those of you who do not want to add the candy, I have some coconut. It's organic coconut flakes. It's sugar-free. Again, I will put the link below. So what we're going to do is Summer's going to take over. I'm going to step to the side. And
if I need help, my mom will just come.
That's right. I'm totally here for you.
Okay. So first thing we're going to do is take the apple and put it in the middle, like this. And just push down. Like that.
Yep, I would love to help you. Ready? And you're just going to core that apple.
So you're going to take the middle out and throw it away, because you do not want the middle in your apple. Then you're going to place the things inside here, and after that you're going to take the stick and dip the apple in chocolate, right?
Well, what you're going to do next is you're going to actually pour the water over the apples so they do not turn brown. And you're going to take a half a lemon and you're just going to squirt it over. Why don't you squeeze that over there, baby girl?
So squeeze it like this.
Now you might want a bowl that's a little bit bigger with water covering it, but for now you get the idea. Very good.
So we're going to take an apple and a stick. First you have to dry the apple. This. And then you're just going to put the apple inside the stick inside the apple.
Very good.
Like this. And then you're going to dip it in the chocolate like this. Put the apple over the plate, and if you want some coconuts, just put it on like this. Take the extras.
How about just take it
that you have.
Dip it on in there.
Like this. And there you have it. And then you're just going to
right there on the plate.
Put it on the plate like this. And so then if you want candy, you're going to do the same exact thing, just with candy. But like you're going to have to take like a handful and like put it on the apple, because, or if you have sprinkles that you can just pour, like, dip those other things into it, then that's okay too. So then you're going to take the apple again, but this time do this. Sprinkles. And just place them anywhere you want. Make sure that they're in there like steady. Or you can just like drizzle it on.
Go for it.
I'm going to use the ghost since this one's going to be mine. Just going to drizzle them on. And it's okay if you get your hands dirty. Just put them on. Sorry, like this. Place it right next to the apple that you want it to be next to. And if there's any sprinkles left, oh, you can eat them.
You can totally eat them. Can I eat them too?
Yeah. If you want to do a different thing, you can. just like different foods. But no matter what you do, it's all gonna turn out yummy and good.
Oh my gosh, Summer, this looks so beautiful. You ready to try it?
Yeah.
You did such a good job. You're gonna grab the ones with eyeballs, and I'm gonna grab the coconut one. Ready? Cheers. Ah, cheers! Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween, everybody. Yeah, thumbs up. So there you have it, a beautiful, beautiful, healthy, fun treat that the whole family can enjoy.
I like this big ball of chocolate right here. Like, I want to wipe it off.
Yeah, she has to wipe it off. Look at these cheeky cheeks. So we love comments. Please comment down below. Let us know some of your favorite recipes that are for Halloween. And also, do you like peanut butter or chocolate better? I keep wanting to know because some people say, Kim, I like chocolate. Some people like peanut butter, but who knows? Now, I'm Kimberly Lou, and this is Summer Not Kino. And if this video helped you out in any way, please press like and subscribe. And remember, you don't have to do this alone. We're gonna work it out together. So there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful, fun.
Keep rolling.
Come on over here. Take the. Let's wipe that nasty mouth. Get over here. Come here. Come here. Hold on. OMG, that is hilarious.
Settle, Aiden. You okay?
You okay? He's like, I got to make noise now.
Well, like, kind of have me to really.
He's like,
All right.
Did you hear him? He's like,
I was really busy.
Can you help me?
I would love to.
Like this.
You know, sometimes. Summer, you're doing so great. I don't know how to do this.